Sowing wild oats. Understanding this unique phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. We're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard, sowing wild oats. This saying has a rich history and an interesting meaning in modern English. So, if you're ready to expand your understanding and perhaps even your vocabulary, let's get started. The phrase, sowing wild oats, dates back to agricultural practices. Oats are a type of cereal grain, and in farming, sowing means planting seeds. Wild oats, unlike cultivated oats, are considered weeds and are generally undesirable in a farmer's field. When someone sowed wild oats, it implied a lack of judgment or care, as they were planting seeds that were worthless or harmful. Today, the phrase has taken on a metaphorical meaning. Sowing one's wild oats typically refers to a young person engaging in reckless or promiscuous behavior, particularly during their youth. It suggests a period of experimentation or indulgence in pleasures before settling down into a more responsible, mature lifestyle. To understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. They say he sowed his wild oats in his 20s but is quite responsible now. 2. She's just sowing her wild oats, trying different things before she starts her career. Notice how the phrase is often used to describe a phase that is temporary and expected to pass with time. It's important to note that while this phrase is commonly used, it can carry different connotations depending on the context and culture. In some settings, it might be seen as a harmless reference to youthfulness, while in others, it might be viewed as a judgment on someone's moral choices. As language learners and speakers, it's crucial to be aware of these nuances. There are other phrases and words in English that convey similar meanings, such as living it up, playing the field, experimenting, youthful indiscretion. These can be useful in varying your language and understanding similar contexts. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, sowing wild oats. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds an interesting element to your English language repertoire. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about history, culture, and context. Keep learning and exploring. See you in the next video.